Hello my dear friends, welcome back to my channel Swadarsan YouTube channel, and in continuation to my previous videos on trigonometric ratios where we solved all the exercises of this CBSE standard 10th book. Now based on the demand by our students that next chapter today we have taken, that is some applications of trigonometry. So trigonometric ratios, I feel that everybody is well versed now, and today we are going to solve the questions related to applications of trigonometric ratios. So here, though I have mentioned questions 1 to 4, but I will be solving even more questions today. So let us go to the exercise 9.1. It is the application of trigonometric ratios, so that's why heading is given as trigonometric ratio. But before starting the question, I will be liking you all to remember that what we discussed in exercise 8.1 related to a right angle triangle. Suppose we take this angle C, then its opposite is AB, which is called as perpendicular, and its adjacent is side BC. Suppose we take this angle as theta. So the opposite of angle theta is side AB, which is the perpendicular, and the adjacent of angle theta is BC, which is called base. Then based on this, we found trigonometric ratios. We said that sine theta will be equal to P, and this, the third side AC, is called hypotenuse. As it is a right angle triangle, so it is called hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. Cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. Tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. Cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Secant theta is equal to hypotenuse by base. Cosecant theta is equal to hypotenuse by perpendicular. So these are the ways by which we found various trigonometric ratios. Now in this particular chapter, where we are going to talk about applications of trigonometric ratios. So in this application, let me tell clearly that if suppose this BC is on ground level, okay, surface of ground, then, and if we are standing, if I am standing at C and I am looking towards the top, towards A, if I am looking towards the vertex A of this triangle, then this theta angle will be called as angle of elevation. Angle of elevation means by standing on lower level, and if we see towards top at any point, then the angle made by line of sight, okay, this is called horizontal, means surface level, and this will be called as line of sight. So the angle made by line of sight, okay, line of sight. So angle made by line of sight and horizontal is called angle of elevation in case we look towards any point which is above us, which is at the upper surface. Simultaneously, if we are standing here at A and we look towards ground downward, and if this is the horizontal and this will be the line of sight, then this angle will be called as, take it as psi, this angle will be called as angle of depression. Angle of depression. Because these words we are going to utilize in this applications of trigonometry, that's why I am telling you that this angle is called angle of depression when we look towards ground surface or bottom surface when we are standing at the higher level. So from higher level to lower level, if we see something, then angle of depression will be there. If from lower level to higher level, lower to higher elevation, elevator, so we all know elevator, okay. Similarly, higher to lower, so depression, okay. So this we are going to utilize. Simultaneously, we know that in our trigonometric ratio table where we found angle of sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta for various ratios, for various angles like 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So there we found that we used root 2, we used root 3. So root 2 value is 1.414 and root 3 value is 1.732. So this also we need to remember. If these things we are remembering, then we can very well solve all the questions here. So how we will be solving? Let us start. Okay. Now, like suppose question number 1. What it is written? A circus artist is climbing a 20-meter long rope which is tightly stretched and tied from the top of a vertical pole to the ground. So the vertical pole is this AB given. Okay. We need to find the height of the pole, that is AB, if the angle made by the rope with the ground level is 30 degree. It is given as 30 degree. Angle is given. We need to find this P or AB, right? This is pole. So now just now we made a relation, this sine theta. Okay, so the angle given here is 30 degree. So we know that sine theta is equal to, at this place with this triangle, we can write AB by AC. AC is already given to us and we need to find AB, then AC into sine theta. Correct? Right. So AB is equal to, AC is 20 meter into sine theta, so means sine 30 degree, and sine 30 degree is what? 1 by 2. So 20 into 1 by 2. So this will cancel and it will give us as 10 meter. Okay, 10 meter is the height of the pole. Okay, let us go to next question. Question number 2. Okay. Here we are given that a tree breaks due to storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. So it's for the information of my students that the same type of question came in my board examination, 10th board examination. Okay. So suppose initially we can say that AB is the height of the tree, right? Okay. Now what it is given? Tree is breaking due to storm and the broken part bends. So in that case, what it will be there, how the figure will be made? Suppose this tree is breaking like this in between, okay, and it is now making an angle with the ground. Okay, so now this is P, Q, R. After that breaking, so the tree has got broken at point P, and that PR remaining portion is touching to the ground and making an angle 30 degree with it. So top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. So now in this case, here ground making an angle 30 degree. So this has become 30 degree because it is written that with the ground that tree is making an angle 30 degree, not at P, with ground. And the distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the tree touches the ground is 8 meters. So this is given as 8 meter. Then find the height of the tree. We need to find the height of the tree. So total height we have to find it out. Like suppose PQ also we have to find out and PR also we need to find out. Okay. What we need to find? To find PQ and PR, and we will add PQ plus PR. That will be the height of the tree. So let us first find PQ. So we know that PQ by QR is equal to 1030 degree, right? So PQ will be equal to QR and 1030 degree. So this will be equal to QR is 8, it is given. 1030 degree is equal to how much? 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3. Okay. So we will multiply with root 3 numerator and denominator so that it will become 8 root 3 by 3. Okay. Yes. So this is PQ. Now let us find QR. So QR is already given to us. We need to find PR. So how we will find PR? So we can find PR by, we know that QR by PR is equal to cos 30 degree. Then QR we can find. So PR is already, we do not know, right? We do not know. So we need to find actually. So PR is equal to QR by cos 30 degree. By cos 30 degree. Okay. Let me write this here as 8 root 3 by root 3. Sorry, not root 3, it is 3. Now QR cos 30 degree. Cos 30 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So QR is already known to us, that is 8 and root 3 by 2. So it is becoming 16 by root 3. Again root 3 we will multiply both numerator and denominator. So it will become 16 root 3 by 3. Okay. Then we will be finding total height of the tree. Total height of the tree. So H is equal to PQ plus PR, right? PQ is already we have found, that is 8 root 3 by 3 plus QR is 16, sorry, not QR, PR. So PR is 16 root 3 by 3. So LCM is 3, root 3 is common, so 8 plus 16, it has become 24 root 3 by 3 meter. We can write directly also 24 by 3 root meter means root 3 meter. So we can cancel with 3. So this has become 8. So this has become 8 root 3 meter. Even if we are writing like this, our answer is correct. There is nothing wrong in that. Yes, you may ask that as root 3 value I am knowing, 8 into 1.732, if I will be doing that, then also answer will be correct. 8 root 3 meter also if you are writing, then also answer will be correct. Sometimes you will be asked in the question itself that you substitute the value of root 3 as 1.732 or root 2 is equal to 1.414. At that time certainly you have to put that value and then only you have to find the answer. Okay. Question number 3. A contractor plans to install 2 slides for the children to play in a park. 2 slides. For the children below the age of 5 years, she prefers to have a slide whose top is at a height of 1.5 meter. So suppose you take AB as 1.5 meter. Let me write properly. 1.5 meter and is inclined at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. So it is inclined at an angle, this is 90 degree, so at an angle of 30 degree to the ground. Whereas for elder children, she wants to have a steep slide at a height of 3 meter. So let us take it as PQR. So it is 3 meter ground and inclined at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So at an angle of 60 degree to the ground. So what should be the length of this slide in each case? So this is the length of the slide, which is CAC. We can say that L1 and no, we need to leave it. So AC we need to find AC and PR. So from each triangle, one side is already given, angle is already given, we can find out. So AC if we want to find, so what we'll do, we will use sine in triangle ABC, sine 30 degree, or we will write as AB by AC is equal to sine 30 degree. So AC is equal to AB by sine 30 degree. It will give us AB as 1.5 by 1 by 2, and this is 1.5 into 2 is equal to 3 meter. Right. Now here in PQR, PQ by PR is equal to sine 60 degree. So PR is equal to PQ by sine 60 degree. PQ is already given 3 divided by sine 60 degree is equal to root 3 by 2. So it will be equal to 3 into 2 by root 3 is equal to 6 by root 3, because root we will not be placing in the denominator. So we will multiply this numerator and denominator with root 3, so that in the denominator root 3 will get multiplied and will become 3. So 6 root 3 divided by 3, it will cancel, and this one will be equal to 2 root 3 meter. Okay. So 2 root 3 meter. Now PR also we found and AC also we found. So AC will be equal to 3 meter. This will be 2 root 3 meter. If you want, we can multiply also that 1.732, 2 into 1.732, and that can also be the answer. No mistake it is. Full marks will be given to you. Okay. Question number 4. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground. So it is the, suppose this is the top of the tower AB, and at any point it is there. See, drawing a figure in this question is very important. Drawing a figure is very important. So we cannot skip of drawing a figure here. This is for the information of all students I am telling. Okay, so AB is the tower, right? And angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point on the ground, angle of elevation, once it is said, it means this point. So it is given as from a point on the ground which is 30 meter away. So this is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and find the height of the tower. So AB we need to find out. So what we will be doing? AB by BC is equal to what? Tan 30 degree. Fine. So AB is equal to BC into tan 30 degree. BC is 30, tan 30 degree. So tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so this one will become 30, again root 3 by 3. Why? Because you multiplied it by root 3 by root 3. So this has become 10. So 10 root 3 meter. Yes, further we can multiply with 1.732. Let us do it for 1. Okay, 10 into 1.732 meter. So this one will give you as 17.32 meter as the height of the tower. Okay. Now question number 5. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter above the ground. Okay. The string attached to the kite. A kite is flying at a height of 60 meter. So suppose kite is here. Okay, at point A, and this is B. So 60 meter above the ground. The string attached to the kite, so this is the string attached to the kite, is temporarily tied to a point on the ground. Fine. It is tied on the ground at point C. The inclination of the string with the ground is 60 degree. So this is 60 degree. Find the length of the string, assuming that there is no slack in the string. Yes, there is no slack. So we need to find AC. to find AC. Okay, so we know that AB by AC is equal to what? AB is perpendicular, so it is sine 60 degree. Sine 60 degree. So AC is equal to what? AB by sine 60 degree. Again further, AC is equal to AB. AB is already given 60 meter divided by sine 60 is root 3 by 2. So further, AC will be equal to 60 into 2 by root 3, that is 120 by root 3. Again we have to multiply by root 3 by 3, and it is giving us as 120 root 3 by 3. We will cancel 120, so it is 40. So it is 40 root 3 meter. AC is equal to 40 root 3 meter. This is question number 5. Let us solve question number 6. A 1.5 meter tall boy is standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building. Now it is shown that a 30 meter tall building AB, it is 30 meter, and the boy which is standing on the ground, his height, okay, suppose we will take it as PQ, and his height is 1.5 meter. Standing at some distance from a 30 meter tall building, the angle of elevation from his eyes, so if it is the ground level, you can say horizontal, so angle of elevation from his eyes to the top of the building increases from 30 to 60 degree as he walks towards the building. Okay, so earlier it was 30 degree. Okay, he walked at some point. Suppose it is R, and it became 60 degree. Find the distance he walked towards the building. Okay, so we need to find the distance he walked towards the building. So we need to find PR actually. Okay, we will be finding PR. Right. So 30 meter, and this particular height is also 1.5 meter, right? So it means AB, and this point we will take it as C, suppose AC. So AC is equal to AB minus BC, so it is 30 minus 1.5 meter, so it has become 28.5 meter. So this particular distance is 28.5 meter, right? So AC has become 28.5. Now with that AC, we will be finding it out that PC, okay, so AC by PC is equal to 1030 degree, is equal to 1 by root 3. So PC is equal to AC root 3, and AC is 28.5 meter. PC is equal to 28.5 root 3 meter. Now from another, so this has come in triangle, this has come in triangle APC. Now we will take another triangle ARC. So in this AC by RC is equal to 1060 degree, which is equal to root 3. Then RC is equal to AC by root 3. AC is again 28.5 and divided by root 3. To remove that, we will be multiplying by root 3 divided by root 3, and we will get RC as 28.5 root 3 divided by 3, and this 3 will be cancelling this 28.5, 3, 9, 27 and so 5, so 9.5, okay, 9.5 root 3. meter. Now the distance he walked towards the building, it means PR. So we need to find PR. PR is equal to PC minus RC. PC is 28.5 root 3 minus RC is 9.5 root 3. Root 3 we will take common, and 28.5 minus 9.5. So it is equal to 0.5 got removed, and 28 minus 9. So it is 19. So 19 root 3 meter. Okay. 19 root 3 meter. So this is question number 6. Even I want to solve up to question 15 also, but let us understand this 6 questions first. Then in my next video compulsorily I will go for question number 7, question number 8 and question number 9 up to 15 we will solve it. So slowly the questions are becoming little complex, but it is not that much difficult. It is very easy. If trigonometric ratio you have a strong grip on that, then you will be able to solve it. Okay. So thank you very much. We will meet once again in my next video in continuation to this video. Please do not forget to like and share. Okay, so let us solve question number 7 from the same chapter, that is some applications of trigonometry. So question number 7, let us solve it. Let me tick mark. Okay, from a point on the ground, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building. So first of all, let us make the diagram. Suppose this is a 20-meter high building, and in this at the top another tower is placed. So this is tower and this is building. Right. Now from a point on the ground, somewhere from a point on the ground which is at the same level of the building, the angles of elevation of the bottom and the top. So bottom will be this one, top will be this one, are 45 degree. So this is 45 degree and this is 60 degree. Okay, so first it is given angles of elevation of the bottom and the top of a transmission tower fixed at the top of a 20-meter high building are 45 degree and 60 degree respectively. This word respectively, when it comes, it means this 45 relates to bottom, this 60 degree relates to top. So this you need to understand. Do not interchange, otherwise your question and answer, means question which is correct, answer will become wrong. And we need to find the height of the tower. This we need to find the height of the tower H. Okay, suppose we name it as A, B, C and D. So we need to find only AB. We need to find AB, which is height of the tower. So how we will be finding? We will be utilizing this 45 degree angle, 60 degree angle and this given information that BC is equal to 20 meter, that we will be utilizing. So we see that AC is equal to AB plus BC and AB we do not know, so that is H, and plus BC is 20. That we will be utilizing. So let us solve it. So first we will take triangle ADC. In this triangle, if we are taking, so it will become AB plus BC, right? So AC divided by okay. So let us first utilize the triangle BDC. In this we can write BC by DC is equal to 1045 degree, and this one will be giving us as BC is equal to DC into 1045 degree. 1045 degree. So BC we are already having 20 and DC into 1045 equal to 1. So it means DC is equal to 20 meter. So DC is also equal to 20 meter. So 20 meter we have got it. Now in triangle further ADC. So in this we can say that this AC by DC is equal to 60 degree. So AC, which is equal to H plus 20, is equal to DC 60 degree. Now H plus 20 is equal to DC we are already having 20 and 1060 is root 3, right? Okay, so H plus H is equal to what? 20 root 3 minus 20, which can be written as 20 root 3 minus 1, and this will give H is equal to 20 into root 3 minus 1, so 1.732 minus 1. So further H is equal to 20 into 0.732, and just we have to multiply, so it will become 2 into 7.32. This one will give us as 4, 6 and 14, 14.64 meter. So the height of the tower H is equal to 14.64 meter. Let us go to next question, that is question number 8. As I said earlier, drawing is very important. Drawing, making a drawing is very important. A statue 1.6 meter tall stands on the top of a pedestal. Again, suppose this is the pedestal, and the statue is, and this is what? Statue, and this is 1.6 meter. 1.6 meter. Okay. Now from a point on the ground, let us take this point which is on the ground. Angle of elevation of the top of statue is 60 degree. And from the same point, the angle of elevation of the top of pedestal, this is 45 degree. Same type question it is. Okay, as we have done in question number 7, same question it is. And find the height of the pedestal. So there it was used as 45 and 60 respectively. You can see the sentence only is changing, but question is same to same. There height of the tower was there, building was given, here height of the statue is there and pedestal is there, angle is also same 45, 60. Okay, and here height of the statue is given, height of the pedestal is not given. There height of the building was given, height of the tower we need to find out. So the process is same. So if you will take this point A, B, C and D, actually when we are making, it is like a right angle triangle. Okay, so like A, then here point B, C, D, like this it will be there. Okay, so this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree. So do not get confused with this pedestal is made like this and then statue is made in different manner. I have made it only for the reference of the person. Even we can make this aligning with this one like this. Okay, so this is the, so like this we can make. So this will be clearly forming a triangle. Okay, so now we need to find the height of the pedestal H. Again here AC is equal to 1.6 meter plus H. Okay, so I will not be solving even basics. Now basics all of you are knowing. I will be going even direct methods also. Right. So first, what is the requirement? We need to find DC. This we need to find DC. So DC, how we will be finding? We will take triangle BCD, and in this, okay, because we do not have pedestal, so DC will not be able to find out immediately, right? We will utilize it, no problem. So in triangle BCD, so BC by DC is equal to 1045 degree. So this one will be giving us as BC is equal to 1045 degree into DC. 1045 degree is equal to 1, we are already knowing. So DC into 1, and this has become BC is equal to DC. So now we have come to know that BC is equal to DC. Okay. So BC is equal to DC, same to same. Fine. And now we will go for triangle, another triangle ADC. So in this one, AB plus BC, that is AC. AC by DC is equal to 1060 degree. So AC is equal to 1.6 meter, 1.6 plus H we have written. Now if we have given BC is equal to H, so DC is also equal to H meter. Okay, so 1.6 plus H, is equal to DC into tan 60 degree is what? Root 3. Fine. Now 1.6 plus h is equal to root 3h. Okay. So we will take h, this h right hand side. So root 3, no, we will take h common. Root 3 minus 1 is equal to 1.6, and this one will be giving to us as h into as 1.732 minus 1 is equal to 1.6. So h is equal to, not h is equal to, h into 0.732 is equal to 1.6. Further, h is equal to 1.6 divided by 0.732. Right. So even if we want, we can also write in that fashion. Let me tell you, by rationalizing, because if we are going for more division and other things, this also we can do, problem is not there, but I will tell you in rationalized fashion. So what it is, h is equal to 1.6 by root 3 minus 1. We will rationalize it by multiplying with root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. So h is equal to 1.6 and root 3 plus 1 divided by, so this one will become a minus b into a plus b, so 3 minus 1, that is 2. So h is equal to, so 1.6 divided by 2 into root 3 plus 1, this one 0.8. Okay, so even we can write as h is equal to 0.8 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Like this also answer we can write, but if we want, we can even multiply also. We can also go for 0.8, and as we are knowing that root 3 is what, 1.732 plus 1, so this is 0.8 into 2.732. We can very well multiply, and we can make it as like 16, 24, 25, and then 56 to 58, 16, 5, 21. Okay, so decimal will come here, and this one will be the h, 2.1856 meter, or we can say 2.2 meter, like this we can say. Okay. Question number 9. So the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building is 60 degree. So let us see. So angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower. So there is a building, right? This is building, and there is a tower. Both are at the same level. So angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree, and the angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the angle of elevation of the top of a building from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of the tower from the foot of the building, okay, from the foot of the building is 60 degree, right? So this is tower. If the tower is 50 meter high, find the height of the building. So this height we need to find it out. So A, B, C and D. So there are two right angle triangles ABC and BCD. Now let us see in this one. So first of all we can find out BC. So how BC we will be finding out? So let us take a triangle BCD, and in this DC by BC is equal to tan 60 degree. So here BC is equal to DC by tan 60 degree. So BC is equal to DC is 50 meter already given, tan 60 degree is √3, rationalize it, so it will become 50 √3 divided by 3 meter. Okay, so BC already we have found, and now as we need to find the height of the building, so triangle ABC, so in this one H by BC is equal to tan 30 degree. So H is equal to BC into tan 30 degree is 1 by √3. BC already we have found out 50 √3 by 3 into 1 by √3. So √3 got cancelled. So H is equal to 50 by 3 meter. Okay. So 50 by 3, even that height of the building is less than the tower. So it means our this height will get reduced. It will be getting reduced. Height of the building is this much only. Like this. This is H. Building is not taller, tower is taller as we see in the society. So H. So H is equal to, now we can even write 50 by 3 meter also, that answer also can be given, or if we are going then we can even go for making it decimal also. So 16.6 meter type. Right. So like this we have to solve. Then we can go for question number 10. Okay, so let us go to question number 10. Question number 10 says that two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road. So suppose you take a road and two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other, means two poles of equal height are standing opposite to each other, right? So both are of same height. So H, it is also H, two poles. Which is 80 meter wide. So let us take that these two poles are at distance 80 meter. Okay, 80 meter wide road. Fine. From a point between them on the road, from any one point between them on the road, any one point, suppose this, you take it as A, B and C, D, and any point that is E. Any point E. This width is 80 meter. Angles of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So any one point, so it will be 60 degree, and another point will not be a curve, it will be a straight line only. Okay, so 30 degree. Another one is 30 degree. Find the height of the poles and the distances of the point from the poles we need to find. Okay, we need to find the height of the pole and the distances of the point from the pole. So suppose this distance ED, suppose ED is equal to some d meter. Then EB is equal to 80 minus d meter. Okay. Now we can make the relations in triangle ABE. So now, if suppose this pole, height of pole is h, so h by E, not E, h by EB is equal to 1060 degree. So h is equal to EB 1060 degree. H is equal to EB is 80 minus D, 1060 degree is root 3, so meter. Now in triangle CDE, again H by ED is equal to 1030 degree. So H is equal to ED 1030 degree, H is equal to, so D 1030 degree is 1 by root 3, so D by root 3 meter. So we will be putting this H is equal to D by root 3 in this equation 1. So D by root 3 is equal to 80 minus D into root 3, and this will give it to us D is equal to 80 minus D, root 3 into root 3 will be equal to 3. So this will be D plus 3D is equal to 80. Sorry, 3 into 80, that is 240. 80 into 3, 240, and minus 3D, so minus 3D has come this side, so it has become 4D is equal to 240 and 460. Okay, so now this distance D is equal to 60 meter, so automatically this distance is becoming 20 meter, right? Okay. Then H we need to find height of the poles. So H is equal to D by root 3. It is equal to, when we are going for rationalization, so it will become into root 3 by root 3. So D root 3 by 3. So D is how much? 60, root 3 by 3, it will get cancelled 20. So H is equal to 20 root 3 meter. So we need to find height of the poles, that is H is equal to 20 root 3 meter. Distance of the point from the poles. So AB is at 20 meter from the point E, and CD is at 60 meter from point E. Let us go to question number 11, and here figure is also given, so no need to draw a figure. Right. So a TV tower stands vertically on a bank of a canal. From a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60. Okay, so from a point on the other bank directly opposite the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 60 degree. So means this is the bank of the canal, means at C. From another point 20 meter away from this point on the line, joining this point to the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation of the top of the tower is 30 degree. So this one. Find the height of the tower H and the width of the canal, means we need to find this BC. So width is given, so we will write D meter. Now first of all, let us take the, or we can say that BD is equal to 20 plus D meter. So in triangle, ADB, H by 20 plus D is equal to 1030 degree. H is equal to 20 plus D into 1030 degree. So H is equal to 1030 degree is 1 by root 3. By rationalizing, we will get H is equal to root 3 into 20 plus D divided by 3, because we multiplied root 3 by root 3 and we got in the denominator 3. So this is H. Now again in another triangle ACB, so H by D is equal to 1060 degree. So H is equal to D 1060 degree, or H is equal to D into root 3. Now H, this H and this H both are same, so it is 1 and it is 2. So from 1 and 2, H is equal to H, so we can say that root 3D is equal to root 3 20 plus D divided by 3. This root 3 got cancelled, so 3D is equal to 20 plus D, and 3D minus D is equal to 20. This has given 2D is equal to 20. Cancelling it, 10. So D is equal to 10 meter. Okay, so width of the canal is 10 meter. Width of the canal is 10 meter. Now we need to find the height of the tower. So height H is equal to D root 3. From here we can find out. So H is equal to root 3 D. So it's equal to 1.732 into D is 10 meter. So this is 17.32 meter. So H is equal to 17.32 meter. Question number 12. From the top of a 7-meter high building, the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. From the top of a 7-meter high building, let us make a 7-meter high building, that is AB. The angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower is 60 degree. So some cable tower is there, and the angle of elevation of the top of a cable tower, from the top of a 7-meter high building is there. So this is there. Okay. So this is 60 degree. And the angle of depression of its foot is 45 degree. So this is 45 degree. Right. Determine the height of the tower. So A, B, C, D, E. Okay. So AE and BD are parallel to each other. Then if this angle is 45 degree, so this angle is also 45 degree. Why? Because AD is the transversal and AD is transversal. Therefore, alternate angles are equal. So in this case, now in triangle ABD, AB by BD is equal to what? 1045 degree. AB is equal to BD into 1045 degree. BD. So AB is equal to BD into 1. So BD. So AB is equal to BD is equal to 7 meter. Is equal to 7 meter. So this is 7 meter. So this AE is also equal to 7 meter only. Now from triangle ACE, CE by AE is equal to 1060 degree. So CE is equal to AE 1060 degree. AE is what? 7 meter only. Into 1060 degree is what? Root 3. So 7 root 3 meter. CE. Whereas ED also equal to, and ED is equal to what? 7 meter. Okay. So what we need to find? We need to find the height of the tower. So height of the tower H is equal to CE plus ED meter. So H is equal to CE is 7 root 3 plus 7 meter, and this H is equal to 7 into root 3 plus 1 meter. Okay. If we want, we can also write like this, or if we want, we can even calculate also. So H is equal to 7 into 1.732 plus 1 is equal to 7 into 2.732. Let us multiply 4, 21, 22, 49 to 51, 5, 14 and 5 19. So 19.124 meter is the height of the tower. Okay. Question number 13. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level. Okay. So suppose this is the sea level and this is 75-meter lighthouse. This is lighthouse. So as observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships. Angle of depression, suppose AB. Two ships are there, C and D. Angle of depressions of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. So this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree. Okay. So similarly, this one will become 30 degree, this one will become 45 degree as we have told earlier. Okay. So if suppose you are taking it as E, so AE and BD are parallel, then again alternate angles are equal. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, then the distance between the two ships, so this distance between the two ships, d meter, we need to find out. Same way in all questions it is similar. So first of all, this BC plus D, so BD is equal to BC plus D meter. BC we are not having at present, but how we can find out? See, in triangle ABC, AB by BC is equal to 1045 degree. This one will give AB is equal to BC 1045 degree. AB is already given 75, BC into 1. So this is BC is equal to 75 meter. So this has become 75 meter. This has become 75 meter. Right? Okay. Now, in triangle ABD, so AB by BD is equal to 1030 degree. AB is equal to BD into 1030 degree. So here BD is equal to BC is 75 plus D meter. So AB is already 75 and here 75 plus D, 1030 degree is 1 by root 3. Okay, so 75 root 3 minus 75 is equal to D. Okay, so D is equal to 75 1.732 minus 1. So D is equal to 75 into 0.732 meter. Okay, even root 3 minus 1 can also be written, but 75 into 0.732 732. So if we are multiplying, let us multiply 70 plus pi into 0.732. So this one will be giving to us 7 to 4, 21, 22 and 49 to 51. Okay, this 0 will shift, so it will become 7.32. So 51.24 plus 5 times 0, 15, 116, 6, 35, 136. Okay, so this has become 3.660. Okay, 3.660. So this has become 0, then 6 plus 4, 10, 6 to 8, 1, 9 and 51, so 54. Okay. We need eraser. 54.900 it is. Okay, so our this D is equal to 54.9 meter. Okay. So next question, question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with the wind in a horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. So this height is 88.2 meter and it is also given that this height is 1.2 meter. 1.2 meter, right? So suppose let us name it A, B, C, here, C, then D and E. So DE is equal to 88.2 minus 1.2 meter. So 0.2, 0.20 and 88 minus 1, that is 87 meter. Okay, so from here to here it is 87 meter. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. Angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instant is 60 degrees. So at one point that balloon's angle of elevation is 60 degree. After some time the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree when the balloon moves away. Find the distance travelled by the balloon during the interval. So we need to find CD. We need to find CD. Okay. So same way we will take it. This is also 87 meter. So in triangle ABC, again AC by BC is equal to 1060 degree. Further AC is equal to BC into 1060 degree is root 3. BC we do not know, but AC we know. So BC is equal to AC by root 3, AC is 87 by 3, and this one will become root 3. Okay, root 3 by root 3 will multiply. So 3, 2, 6, 9. So BC is equal to 9 root 3, sorry, 29 root 3 meter. That is BC. BC is equal to 29 root 3 meter. Next one, in triangle EBD. So ED by BD is equal to 10-30 degree. ED already given 87 is equal to BD. So BD is BC plus CD, right? BD is BC plus CD, whereas CD we do not have at present. BD. So 87 is equal to BD, 10-30 degree is 1 by root 3. So BD is equal to 87 root 3 meter. BD total is equal to 87 root 3 meter. Then we need to find the distance travelled by the balloon. So that CD we have to find. So BD minus BC. So 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3 meter. So root 3, 87 minus 29 is equal to, so 8 and 7 to 5 root 3 meter. 58 root 3 meter is the distance travelled by the balloon. This one will be the answer. Let us solve question number 15. A straight highway leads to the foot of a tower. A man standing at the top of the tower observes a car at an angle of depression of 30 degree. So there is a straight highway, a foot of the tower is there, or standing at the top of the tower, the man is standing at the top of the tower. A, B, C, suppose car is here. Okay. Top of the tower observes car at an angle of depression of 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. Is found to be 60 degree. So this one will become 60 degree. This one will become 30 degree. 6 seconds later, that we need to remember. Two things we need to remember: 6 seconds later and the uniform speed. Right? Speed we do not know. So find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. So at an angle of depression 30 degree, which is approaching the foot of the tower with a uniform speed. 6 seconds later, the angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. and find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Which point? Maybe this point D, from this point, or even from C also. So here we will be using speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, so u is equal to d by t, or d is equal to u into t. Okay, that speed is constant, right? Angle of depression of the car is found to be 60 degree. So this particular distance, we can say that 6u, so 6u meter. 64, it looks like 64, so I will write it as v, velocity. So now we need to find the time taken by the car to reach the foot of the tower from this point. Okay. So AB, again let us take that triangle ABD. So AB by BD is equal to tan 60 degree. So AB is equal to BD root 3 meter. BD root 3 meter. Then let us take triangle ABC. So AB by BC is equal to tan 30 degree. AB is equal to BC tan 30 degree means 1 by root 3. AB is equal to BC root 3, or fine, no problem. So AB from this equation and from this equation, we can equate them, and we can write that BD root 3 is equal to BC by root 3. This root 3 will get multiplied, so it will become 3BD. Okay, 3BD, as these two will get cross multiplied. Okay, so 3BD is equal to BC, and BC is equal to what? BD plus DC, and DC is 6V, right? 6V. Then here further 3BD minus BD, so it is 2BD is equal to 6V. Okay, now BD, this distance how we will be finding out? So it is approaching with constant speed. Okay, it is approaching with constant speed. So this distance BD is also okay, V into T, time. But how much time taken, that we do not know. And it is moving at uniform speed. So V into T, V into T, Vt. Okay, 6V BD is equal to V into T. So further like 2 into V into T is equal to 6V. So this V and V will get cancelled and it will be 2T is equal to 6. So 3. So time is equal to 3 seconds. So in 3 seconds, the car will reach the foot of the tower from this point. From D. 3 seconds. To B from D. So we can say that 3 seconds it will take. Come to the last question, that is question number 16. The angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points. It is the top of the tower. And let us take 2 point, okay, of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are complementary. So this is some theta 1, theta, this is some psi. So here A, B, C, D. Theta plus psi is equal to 90 degree and psi is greater than theta. Okay. So prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. AB is also not given and AB is h meter. Now let us see that 10 point triangle ABC H by BC and BC is what? 4 is equal to 10 psi. So H is equal to 410 psi. Come to ABD, triangle ABD. So AB by BD is equal to 10 theta. AB is equal to BD 10 theta. AB is equal to 9 10 theta. Okay. Now theta is equal to what from here? 90 degree minus psi. So AB is equal to 9 10 90 degree minus psi nine into cot psi, or we can write that AB is equal to 9 by 10 psi. Okay. So AB is what? H only. H. So 9 by 10 psi. So H is equal to 410 psi is equal to 9 by 10 shy. H. Okay, but 10 shy we do not know. So 9 by 4 it is coming. 4 10 shy. Oh, oh. H. So 9 plus 4, whether it is 4 meter and 9 meter from the base of the tower. Okay, so BD we have taken, BD, and BD is 5 plus 4, 9, correct. 90 minus psi, so 10 square psi is equal to 9 by 4. Fine. Let us check once again. So A, B, C is equal to H by 4 is equal to 10 psi. So H is equal to 4 10 psi we have written. Then AB by BD is equal to 10 theta. So BD is total 9, 10 theta. And AB is equal to 9, 10 theta. So 9, 10, and theta is 90 minus psi, so it will become cot psi. Cot psi. Okay, and AB is H only, height of the tower. Prove that the height of the tower is 6 meter. Okay, so AB is also equal to H and equal to 9 cot psi, which we can write as 9 by 10 psi. 4 10 psi. Okay, so 10 square psi is equal to 9 by 4, and this one 10 psi is equal to plus minus 3 by 2. So plus and minus, so minus is not possible as psi is not negative. As psi is not negative, so negative value of 10 psi is not applicable. So we got 10 psi is equal to 3 by 2. Now if we want to find height of the tower, H is equal to, so 4 10 psi is there. So put the value 4 into 3 by 2, 2 is cancelling, and H is equal to 6 meter. So we have proved that the height of the tower is 6 meter. So we came to the end, and some applications of trigonometry we have seen today, and little bit more attention is required, but when we will be drawing the diagram, we will be able to do it. We must see that while drawing the diagram, see, the more the point which is near to the tower or near to the building, the angle will be more. Please take into consideration, angle will be more 60 degree. The more farther point from the building, the angle will be less. Okay, 45 degree or 30 degree, whatever it is. So the more nearer, angle of elevation will be more, the more farther angle of elevation will be smaller. So this point, if you all are remembering, diagram can be made in much more better manner. So thank you very much. If you have liked my video, please subscribe and share with your friends. A big thank you to all my friends. All the best.